Outline of machine. CNC machines are a common piece of equipment used in the furniture and cabinet making industries. Computer numeric control machines, in some workplaces, are vital pieces of equipment as they are used to cut, route, and drill manufactured board. This particular machine outlined in this DVD is a 3-axis machine, meaning it has 3 points of movement. Machine operation. The CNC machine is capable of cutting, routing, or drilling materials such as MDF, particle board, ply, solid timber, and plastic. It has a total table capacity of 3,600mm in the X direction, 1,200mm in the Y direction, and can take up to 60mm in height in the Z direction. The operator programs the piece they want to have machined. It is saved and then sent to the work list. From there, the operator engages the machine, starts it, loads the material onto the table, turns on the vacuum, and starts the machine. Machine safety devices. With a focus on operational safety, there are a number of safety devices, such as emergency stop buttons, emergency cord, operation suction guard, cut-off valve, safety fence, and contact mats. All of these functions stop the machine if triggered and need to be reset after inspection of the machine's safety. Machine X, Y, and Z axis. The machine positions itself by the use of 3 positioning motors called servo motors. They keep count of how many revolutions they turn and relay that information back to the computer. These 3 motors manage the 3 axes, and they are commonly known as X, Y, and Z. Control panel. The control panel is used to operate the machine. There are a number of buttons and indicators that turn on and off for different functions, including cycle, jog, stop lines, clamp stops, reset router, cone test, insert jig thickness, and prevent piece unlocking switch. Machine switch on and global home. Once the machine is turned on, it will need to be homed. This is a process of using the quote screen to select global homing. This is needed only when the machine has been started to allow the machine to locate its reference point. Jog X, Y, and Z axes. If manual movement of the machine is required, the manual movement on the quote window can be selected. If faster movement is desired, the rapid button can be pressed simultaneously with either the plus or minus buttons. Main window description. This window is where the operator can program a component. The screen is divided into several areas: graphics window, tree list area, and commands area. Programming. When programming, the user firstly selects New. This is where the size of the piece to be machined is entered. LPX refers to the length of the panel, LPY the width, and LPZ the thickness. This has a set blank canvas for the operator to then apply either milling, boring, or cutting programming. To further explain any points in this video, please refer to your operations manual.